Now let's see how we have used this technique of cloning and somatic cell nuclear transfer to produce a transgenic animal called dolly. So here, this is our donor cell. This is the cell that we want to clone. So we will take out the cell from this animal, from this sheep. This is a sheep. So we have taken out the cell from this. From the cell, we have now taken out the nucleus of this sheep. We have taken out the nucleus, and now we want this to be cloned. We want to produce an exact copy of this animal. We have taken out the nucleus. Now there's another donor. From here we have taken out the egg cell. This is the egg cell. From egg cell we have removed the nucleus. We have removed the nucleus, and now this is enucleated cell. In this cell we have transferred this nucleus. The nucleus from this, we have transferred it. Now we will allow this to grow. We have allowed this cell to grow. It divides and it forms an embryo. Now, once it forms an embryo, we have transferred this embryo to surrogate mother. This is our surrogate mother. So once the surrogate mother's the embryo gets implanted here, now this surrogate mother, it will give rise to the young ones. This is our cloned animal, or you can say the cloned sheep or the dolly. So we have got the exact copy of this animal here. This is exact copy of this. Not this, okay students, because this is just for growing the embryo. We have taken the egg cell and we have removed its nucleus, but here we have taken the nucleus of this, isn't it? So the organism that is produced is exact copy of this animal. So here the clone animal is born with exact DNA as the donor. This is our donor. So this is the cloned animal.